I let ChatGPT pick my stocks for 7 days. Here's what actually happened. $1,000 starting balance versus $1,247 final balance. I gave ChatGPT $1,000 and let it pick my stocks. No questions asked. 7 days later, I had gains, losses, and one shocking twist I never saw coming. Stick around, because what happened on day 5 might just change the way you invest forever. Welcome to Capital Course, where we turn experiments into financial education you can actually use. Today's video, it's not clickbait. It's a real, tracked, AI-powered stock challenge, and by the end, I'll show you how to do this yourself, even if you've never traded a single stock. But first, if you're new here, I risk my own money testing crazy investing strategies so you don't have to. Hit that subscribe button if you want more experiments like this one, because what I'm about to show you, it's going to blow your mind. Here's the deal. Most people ask ChatGPT generic questions like, what stocks should I buy? And wonder why they get terrible advice. I spent hours crafting the perfect prompt, and I'm giving it to you for free. I asked ChatGPT this exact question. You are a professional stock analyst with 20 years of experience. I have $1,000 to invest for exactly 7 days. Based on current market conditions, upcoming earnings, and technical analysis, recommend 5 stocks that have the highest probability of gains in the next week. For each stock, provide 1. Company name and ticker, 2. Reasoning, 3. Allocation, 4. Confidence level from 1 to 10. Focus on realistic gains, not moonshots. And then, I followed its advice to the letter. No emotional trading, no gut feelings, just AI versus Wall Street. The results? Well, let's just say, one stock I was most worried about became my biggest winner. Before we dive into the chaos, let me show you the rules I set. $1,000 starting capital, not a penny more. Maximum 5 stocks. Diversification without going crazy. Zero interference. Whatever ChatGPT says I do. Only free ChatGPT. No plugins, no premium, just what you can access. Full transparency, every trade, every dollar, every mistake. I used Webble for this experiment. Clean interface, zero commissions, but honestly, you can use any broker. Link in description if you want to follow along. Now let me show you what the AI picked, and why I almost had a panic attack. Here's what ChatGPT gave me, based on May 2025 market conditions, AI expansion trends, and earnings catalysts. Pick one, Apple, AAPL, 30% allocation, $300. Upcoming earnings report plus strong iPhone sales momentum in Asia. ChatGPT's confidence, 9 out of 10. Pick 2, Microsoft, MSFT, 25% allocation, $250. Benefiting from cloud AI services, Azure expansion, and institutional buy-in. Confidence, 8.5 out of 10. Pick 3, Tesla, TSLA, 20% allocation, $200. Leaked delivery numbers plus strong EV demand in Europe. Confidence, 8 out of 10. Pick 4, NVIDIA, NVDA, 15% allocation, $150. Dominates GPU market. Recent chip deal with Samsung fuels growth. Confidence, 9 out of 10. Pick 5, GameStop, GME, 10% allocation, $100. And here's where I almost quit the experiment. Unusual options, volume plus social sentiment spike. High risk, high reward. Confidence, 6.5 out of 10. GameStop, in 2025. I'm staring at my screen thinking ChatGPT just recommended a meme stock. But remember the rules, no interference. So I took a deep breath and clicked buy. That decision? It's about to save my entire experiment. Day 1, buying at market open. Monday morning, 9:30 a.m., everything's in. Apple, $300, Microsoft, $250, Tesla, $200, NVIDIA, $150, GameStop, $100. First day jitters are real. By market close, down $23, not panic mode yet, but not exactly confidence building either. Day 2, the first glimmer of hope. Tuesday morning, I wake up to Microsoft beating earnings estimates by a mile. Tesla's showing pre-market strength. ChatGPT's logic starts making sense. End of day 2, up $47, we're profitable, baby. Day 3, when everything exploded. Wednesday is where this experiment went absolutely insane. Apple reports earnings after market close Tuesday. They didn't just beat expectations, they obliterated them. iPhone sales in Asia, through the roof. My Apple position alone gained $89 in one day. But here's the kicker. Remember GameStop? The stock I was terrified of? It jumps 12% because some Reddit forum found a tweet from Ryan Cohen. I'm not making this up. A tweet moved my worst pick into profit. End of day 3, up $156. I'm starting to think ChatGPT might be a genius. Thursday felt like a victory lap. Everything's green. Tesla delivery numbers leak early, they're crushing estimates. Nvidia announces a massive AI chip partnership. Even Microsoft keeps climbing on that earnings momentum. End of day 4, up $203. That's over 20% return in 4 days. I'm not gonna lie, I got cocky. Started thinking about putting more money in. That overconfidence, it almost destroyed me. Friday morning, I wake up to financial apocalypse. Some Federal Reserve official hints at aggressive rate hikes. The entire market is bleeding. Apple drops 6%. Tesla falls 8%. Even Nvidia, the AI golden child, is down 5%. I'm watching $116 of profits disappear in real time. But you know what? GameStop is up another 3%. While everything else crashes, the meme stock is partying like it's 2021. End of day 5, up only $87. I lost over $100 in a single day. This is where most people panic sell. This is where emotions take over. Over the weekend, I did something interesting. I asked ChatGPT to analyze its own picks. It actually admitted Tesla was overvalued and I should have taken profits Wednesday. Monday starts the comeback. Everything gains back half of Friday's losses. Tuesday, the final day, this is where ChatGPT's genius really showed. Apple announces a surprise dividend increase. Tesla releases production numbers that beat every analyst estimate. Microsoft gets upgraded by Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley on the same day. And GameStop, it announces some NFT partnership that nobody understands, but the stock jumps anyway. Starting amount, $1,000. Final amount, $1,247. Total gain, $247. Percentage return, 24.7% in just 7 days. ChatGPT didn't just beat the market, it destroyed it by almost 20 percentage points. GameStop plus 31%, $31 profit. The meme stock won. Apple plus 28%, $84 profit. Microsoft plus 26%, $65 profit. Nvidia plus 24%, $36 profit. Tesla plus 15%, $30 profit. The stock I was most terrified of, GameStop, actually performed the best. Meanwhile, Tesla, which seemed like a sure thing, barely moved. AI just taught me that my gut feelings about stocks are basically worthless. Before you empty your bank account into ChatGPT's recommendations, let me share 3 lessons that could save you thousands. Lesson 1. The prompt is everything. That generic "what should I buy?" question most people ask? It's useless. Be specific. Time frame, goals, risk level, market conditions, garbage in, garbage out. Lesson 2. Diversification literally saved me. If I'd gone all in on Tesla like my gut told me, I'd be up only 15%. The diversification ChatGPT suggested protected me when everything crashed Friday. Even when you're wrong on some picks, you can still win overall. Lesson 3. 1 week does not equal a strategy. I got lucky with earnings season, leaked numbers, and random meme stock tweets. This worked in a tight window with perfect conditions. Don't mortgage your house based on this experiment. But here's what is sustainable. Using AI as a research assistant, not a financial advisor. ChatGPT helped me find earnings dates, analyze market sentiment, and spot patterns I completely missed. Want to try this yourself? I've got you covered. I created a free cheat sheet with the exact prompts I used, plus 10 bonus prompts for ETFs, crypto, and long-term investing. And here's your homework. Try this with $100 first, not $1,000, not your life savings, $100. Learn the process, understand the risks, then scale up if it works for your situation. This experiment absolutely blew my mind. If it did the same for you, smash that like button. It takes 1 second and helps this channel reach more people. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I'm doing these crazy experiments every week so you can learn without risking your own money. Speaking of next week, I'm about to drop something even more controversial. I'm putting ChatGPT head-to-head with 3 human financial advisors in a 14-day investing battle. Spoiler alert, the results are not what you'd expect. One of the humans made a mistake so bad it cost them the entire competition. That video drops next Tuesday, so hit that notification bell and let me know in the comments. Should I test ChatGPT on options next? Crypto, real estate, your wish is my command. Until then, remember, knowledge compounds, so keep investing in yours. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and one more thing. That human versus AI advisor battle I mentioned, one of the advisors tried to cheat by using insider information. Wait until you see what happened next.